Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle duplicate bank transactions in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's get straight into the video. The first step is to identify duplicate transactions. Go to Banking for Review tab. Now look for transactions that have the same date, amount, and description. Step 2 is to check if one entry was manually added. If you enter the transaction manually and QuickBooks also imported it from your bank feeds, you can match them instead of keeping both. Step 3 is to exclude unwanted duplications. Now you want to select the duplicate transactions, click Batch Actions, and choose Exclude Selected. This moves them to the Excluded tab. Step 4 is to review your bank rules. Sometimes incorrect bank rules cause duplicates, so go to Bank Rules and adjust them to prevent repeated imports. Step 5 is to reconcile after fixing. Now once duplicates are handled, reconcile your accounts to make sure that your records match the bank. A pro tip is to regularly check your feeds so duplicates are spotted early before reconciliation. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.